Smart Tutorials. Culinary Training, Healthy Plating. What is healthy plating? It's the marriage between you are what you eat and you eat with your eyes. The plate method is a simple way to plan meals. No counting or food lists, just a 9-inch plate for your reference. There are simple steps to building a healthy plate. When in doubt, aim to have the rainbow on your plate. Step 1. Half your plate should include a combination of fresh and cooked vegetables. Step 2. A quarter of your plate should be unprocessed starch. Unprocessed starch examples: brown rice, whole wheat pasta, potatoes and sweet potatoes, barley, spelt, farro, wild rice, and quinoa. Starch cooking tips: cook with onion or garlic for flavor. Mix in extra raw or cooked vegetables, and enhance appearance with finely chopped herbs. Unprocessed means it comes out of a bag or box and has no added ingredients. Claims of quick cooking are a giveaway of a processed starch. Step 3. The last quarter of your plate should be a protein. Protein examples: plant-based, beans, if canned, aim for low sodium, and tofu, which are fermented soybeans. Animal-based, aim for lean first and around 2 to 3 ounces. This includes chicken breast, fish, and eggs. Use protein as your flavor enhancer and not the center of your plate. Sometimes the plate method doesn't work for the meal you're planning. You can take the steps and tips and adapt them as needed. Fresh soups hold all the nutrients from the ingredients and nothing goes to waste. Boost the nutrients with garnishes like additional veggies, herbs, lemon, even some cheese. Serve with a salad and fresh fruit. The plate method can be several small ones. Fruits are colorful and sweet additions to your plate. Add berries as a garnish, dice pears for a salad, and even sauté into a stir-fry. Salsas, sauces, and vinaigrettes help enhance flavors in dishes. Try using oil and/or dairy-free alternatives. Examples could include balsamic vinegar or some citrus juice with honey and ginger. Sauces, especially store-bought and/or dairy-based, can run up calories fast. Read the label before buying. For a fiberful, creamy, and crunchy alternative, try garnishing dishes with pecans, walnuts, almonds, or seeds. You'll be adding in protein and healthy fats as well. Brown rice, lentils, and a mix of veggies. This plate has it all. Additional resources: Food Bank NYC, foodbanknyc.org, Plentiful App, plentifulapp.com. Text food to PANTRY 726-879. Thank you for watching. Please visit smartuniversity.org for more information on our programs, to donate, or follow us on other social media platforms. Major support for Smart Tutorials provided by the New York Women's Foundation.